Hello there. As you can see, I changed the name from Italian God to Pedretti Racing, as it is something I'm pushing forward with the team. And like I said, there's more of that coming later. 2021 is where we're expected to really shine, I guess they call it. Speaking of shine, working with Speed Gloss, same color as my car. What do you know? By Deluxe Car Care, great product, and I thank you guys for bringing this out because it's lovely on my wrap or paint. It doesn't matter what you put it on; it's gonna really shine. And well, before I break out more details, let's get into the video. All right, well, Speed Gloss. Yeah, by Deluxe Car Care. As you can see, I use quite a bit. I love this product. I love a lot of their products. Can't go wrong. And I'm going to try and use a little bit on this, quarter here, as I don't have a whole lot. And I am going to order some more. I'm going to order quite a bit of stuff here coming up. Got to take care of the bills and the kiddos, but, detailing is important. And shall we dig in? I think we should. All right, hold on. Well, if you can see it, great. But there is dirt on this car. Like I said, I'm going to do this quarter part. I might do the rest here. It really just depends, because I don't really have a whole lot left. So let's just do this quarter for at least to show you guys a demonstration of how this works. But this car has seen better days. You could, if you really want, you could spray it on there as well. Some people like to, spray it on there a little bit. It's not going to hurt. Trying to get all up in there. All up in the business. Actually, I'm going to flip this around. Fold her up real nice. Spray the bottom here like that. Some people do spray the car. You can spray the rag. There's different ways you guys can do it. I'm sure you guys probably see the dirt, coming off here and there. Getting caught up on the spoiler. Don't want to do that. The bars. All right. Probably might stop into this area. I do have some stuff down here. I might try to sprinkle it up a little bit. I might actually try to stop and show you the video of the quarter and the rest. Now, I'm no pro, I'm no professional, but a lot of you car guys that like to detail your cars might not be the greatest detailer or a pro. But if you guys want tips and tricks and whatnot, just stop over to Deluxe Car Care, watch Vic live, or even just some of his videos from the previous past. And you can really learn a lot from the guy. He's got a lot to say, and a great gentleman. Same for his woman, they're both great. All right. There it is. Speed Gloss. And, dirt, dust, stuff that just, ends up on the car. Yeah, that's great. Beautiful. But I love Speed Gloss. It's really, really good. Keep in mind the wrap is about 3 years old, so therefore I'm going to have little scuffs here and there, like stuff that might have ended up inside the wrap itself. So, yeah, not the greatest, highest, job. Wow. Wow. Yeah, she's, it's embarrassing. But hey, it's all right. We're going to clean her with whatever I got left. Hopefully. I got to order some more. The car's been sitting because the weather has been just horrible lately. It's getting rained on, cold weather. We were up in the, 80s, 90s. Now we're dropping into the 50s, 60s, and we're going back into the 70s next week, so that's good. Pedretti Racing, which is now the channel's name, I wanted to rename it to obviously a better, future outlook, racing, and stuff that we're going to be getting into and dabble into. Got Pedretti Racing there on the side. However, I'm going to hang this banner up somewhere. I just don't know where because they got stuff everywhere. I put up the new shelves. What do you know? Don't mind that. I don't drink. But yeah, I got, 2 nice shelves up. They're used, but they're nice. They work. So eventually I'm going to go through the rest of the product here. And it's really, really good. It's really, really clean. And I love it. Should we go into some little details or should I do some more? Should I do some more? Yeah, let's do some more. Let's get this door. So we're back. That didn't take long. I'm on my knees and anyway, the Speed Gloss is more of a good, it's a good combo between a wash, a protectant, and one convenient RTU spray. So it's got everything you need, man. Protects your car and everything else. Now there's another thing I do after I use the Speed Gloss, which will tell you right in the back here, Hydro Bead. Good description on the back of these bottles. Every time you order a spray, whatever it is it may be on their website, it comes with a description on what it's good for, what it has, and that's something that's really good. A company should advertise it and tell you what their product really does. And Deluxe Car Care breaks it all down. Like I said, if you guys want to watch their videos on how Vic cleans cars and details, very friendly guy, great guy, and he can break down anything you need. If you want to contact him, you want to know more information than what I can even provide you. The guy's an expert, man. He knows everything you need to know about what you're about to buy. So let's get to this door, right? Shall we? Yeah, let's get to the door. Enough of me talking. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, get old. Oh shit. Okay. All right, yeah. Oh. Get in the barrel, get in here. Clean it up real nice. Oh, we got some stuff back here behind. Make sure you get behind the door, the handle here. Stuff always gets in there. So you want to get up in there real good. All right, cool, great, amazing. You got stuff back here in the scoop. All right, might be doing this a little different for most people, but hey, it's okay. I'm not an expert at this stuff. I just know it works. Ugh. Who would have known I'd be working more than I do at work? Hey, don't tell my boss that. Let's get All right, get in here real good. Then we gotta get down below. It's a lot of work. Now I got the scuffing in here a little bit. I gotta get that out. It's in there pretty good. Having a wrap. Oh, it sucks having a wrap. Well, maybe it beats paint, but I doubt it. Oh, I went too far. I'm trying to show you guys the dirt marks in each section are clean. All right. Now keep in mind when you guys order off of Deluxe Car Care, you're probably gonna get some free cloths, and that's great. Now this one, my free cloths are dirty. What I got? Somebody pulling in the driveway? Nope. But anyway, Deluxe Car Care will provide you with free cloths, depending on the products you buy. I think it's with everything. I'm not 100% sure. So, and this one's dirty. I'm gonna show you. See that? Now this was clean when I entered into this whole project here. Now she's well, this one side's not too bad. It's there. There's some dirt there, a little bit of dust. Keep in mind the car was really just dusty. Yep. Yep, dirty. And I can make it more dirty if I can do the whole car, but usually I don't do the entire car with one cloth. Run out of product. I'm gonna try and finish the car maybe today, but I just wanted to show you guys at least the quarter and the door. There's a little ding here. I think I knew about that one. I knew about this one. It's hard owning a car and keeping it just perfect. It never happens. Especially if it's a daily. And you know me, I like to drive my vehicles. So, yeah. Want to see the weather? Because it's gorgeous. Yeah, hold on. She's gorgeous. There's the wife's. I'll have to do a full detail on that one of these days too. Once I get all new stuff, show you guys a complete detail of the wife's vehicle. She deserves it. Yeah, she's rainy. She's bad. Not the greatest. Well, she's looking good. However, I do have Deluxe Car Care's like a bug remover product here. I'm going to use that as well. I'm going to show you guys that product as well in another video. I want to try and break these down. I'm no expert, but she's clean. I left the front fender dirty, so you guys can kind of see the difference between the front fender there and the, side here. If you guys see anything, it might be the reflections off behind me or whatnot, but it is actually very, very clean. Besides some of the wrap itself. Now, that's not the product's fault. Like this stuff, it's all scuffed up and stuff. Like I said, I daily drive the car. Some people look at my pictures like, oh, it's so derp, it's awesome, but I'm glad you guys love the car. I really do. But if you do see blemishes or scrapes or scratches, listen, man, I drive the car. I'll say it again, it's not some garage queen. Although a lot of my videos lately have been in my garage. But you get the point, man. And I want to also thank you guys for subscribing and following or even liking the video of Pedretti Racing. Something we're going to be getting into in 2021. Yeah, because COVID kind of ruined this year for us. It's a team I'm starting up, and we're doing a lot of racing videos. It could be either, you know, in the street Mexico stuff, or it could be, you know, at the track. I'll be doing some interviews on different cars, not just my drivers, the people that are part of my team, but I'll be doing some interviews with local cars, what they have done, their builds and whatnot. I think that'd be kind of cool to get into the channel. And one more thing I will recommend when using speed gloss is after you're done, I'd run through it with Hydro Bead. Now that is another product I'm going to be getting into. And when I do it, I'm going to go back through speed gloss quickly, but show you guys what Hydro Bead's all about and why to use it after speed gloss. So that is something I'm going to get into. I got to order some more products, get into that. Like I said, if you guys got any questions about the products, you can always contact Vic and Meredith. They're great people. They treat you like family, and I really do mean that. If you guys want anything, you know, if you want to learn more about detailing and whatnot, I'm very sure they can sit down and talk to you guys and go through everything you need to know. I think that about wraps it up. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that Instagram back here to Pedretti Racing now. What do you know? It's just so pathetic back here. It's dirty. It's like, wait. Are they both like drops back? Are my taillights crying? What the hell? Who would have thought?